Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College, and I just want to talk about the gift that keeps on giving and the trade that keeps on giving, so to speak, and that is NatGas. So I'm going to do a bit of analysis and a little bit of education in this video, but NatGas just has been great for months. So natural gas, I mean, everybody knows about the inflation crisis and the price of gas pushing up. Now we're having a very strong retracement, but I just want to talk to you about how the momentum trigger and PTS signals have been working in this like really well. So obviously this was a bit of a sideways area here, and you can see here this was around 2022, early 2022. There weren't any really clear trades until this happened here. So that was the point in which I really got interested in this market. And obviously we had a really strong run up. Market pushed up really nicely, making higher highs and higher lows, and we got a lot of good trading signals in there, especially these grade B momentum triggers. And for us, what grade B momentum triggers mean is when we turn from red dot red or any red to a green dot green. And you can see these trades ran up really nicely and did very well. But not only that, we still had a couple more in there. So specifically that candle right there. And then also there was another candle here that did something similar. And remember, you can always drop down to the lower time frames to trade this. This is obviously the daily time frame. These trades could have been entered on the hourly, but just based on the analysis that's been done on the daily chart. Now, strong retracement, and then this is the massive one. This is the big move here. That there is the one. So as soon as we get a green candle in here, I'm already thinking in my mind long. And this is a grade A momentum trigger. That's when it goes from below to above the zero line here. So this where I've circled and that arrow is, it goes from below the zero line to above the zero line, and we get a really nice trend. If you miss it, it's no problem because you get a pullback, and once you get a pullback, you get another green candle there, and you get another grade B momentum trigger there, right? Market just runs up, gives us a red candle, and that's probably, where you should be thinking about taking profits around that mark, and that goes to a red dot red here as well. So it's really simple, this traffic light system. It's super simple. Going long, just buying on the reds, selling on the buying on the greens, selling on the reds is so simple. And then now really all we're waiting for is either the next signal going up, but obviously because we've pushed underneath these moving averages now, if we go up with these greens and then we get another red signal, we could sell. So all we're really doing is just looking at how this develops over the next few days, potentially a week. And we love volatile markets. Natural gas is a very volatile market. You can see it moves up and down in these very smooth swings. And that's why I like trading this, because we can take advantage of it. Like I said, it is the gift that keeps on giving. I know like a lot of people are struggling with inflation, but this is why this is an inflation-proof income. We make money on markets when they're rising and when they're falling. And obviously when this market rises, it's a problem for everyone, but obviously this is a hedge for us because it makes us good money. So keep that in mind when you're looking to trade these asset classes. It's a great easy one. Such a simple trade as well, with all these color changes. The only time obviously that we were looking to get into the trade is post February, kind of March 2022, when this signal here turned up. So I'm just going to draw that again for you to make it absolutely clear. This one here turned up, and then we were good to go. This market was running off really nicely and pushing up really nicely. And keep an eye on that. Let's see how this develops over the next coming weeks.